So now children, I am going to change the water, the liquid into solid ice. Okay. So now I am adding the water in a bowl, and now I am going to keep this bowl in the freezer to freeze into ice. So the change of liquid into solid by cooling is called freezing, right. So this change of liquid into solid, it is a physical change because we are changing the liquid into solid, the water into ice. So it is a reverse process. Again we can change the solid into liquid, ice into water, right. So this is a reverse process and there is no new substances formed. So this is a physical change, right. So now I am going to freeze it. Now I freeze the water. So let us take the ice. See, now the water is changed into ice, right. So the liquid is changed into ice. So again the ice can be changed into liquid when we heat it, right. So you can see the water is melting, right. So from the ice. So this is an example of physical change. Now children, I am heating the water into water vapor. So the water is changing into water vapor, right. So you can see the water vapor, this is water vapor. So nothing but gas, steam. So it is an example of gas, right. So the water, so inside the water is boiling and thereby the water is changed into water vapor. So this is a evaporation. So this process is called evaporation, right. So now again you can see the water is changing into water vapor. This is an example for physical change. So the liquid is changing into gas. So evaporation of water is also an example of physical change. So now children, you can see the steam, now it is changed into water. So this is an example for condensation. This process of changing of gas into liquid. So the water vapor into water, this is an process of condensation. So now you can see the steam when it touches the cool surface, the lid is cool, the vessel is hot and thereby the water is changed into steam. So when the steam touches the cool surface, the lid is cool. So thereby when the steam cools down, it changes into water. So here you can see the steam is changed into water. So you can see the tiny droplets of water on the lid, right. So this process is a condensation, and when there is formation of water, so this is a condensation of steam, So this condensation of steam is a example for physical change. So why? Because now you can see the steam is changed into water, right. Again I can change the water into steam by heating, right. So this is a example for physical change.